um. Oh. Anyway, hello, ladies. My name is Jeff, and I'm a Barista, and welcome to my new stream video. Whenever you're watching this, I'm having a good old cup of coffee right next to me. Yes, I am very happy about it. Anyways, I think I know what my issue here is. I think I know what my issue here is. And that is that I didn't put you in a forever. Too good. There should be one. Let's try that out. Okay, let's try the forever thing. Oh my god, Diamond! How are you doing? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Hello Drapo, what are we doing today?
Well, today we're trying to do the thing that I wanted to. Today we are adding the extra, the additional button.
Antrogs.
Repeat until.
Drapo, how you?
Well, I'm good.
Diamond. How you doing, Antrax?
The fuck? What is your problem?
Antrax, where you from, BTW? Me chill you. I had a homework from scratch in middle school once.
Yeah. And I wasn't.
Me chill too, but weather's so hot.
Anyways, I hope you guys are good. I hope
What
you
is
guys
BTW?
are okay.
By the way.
That's so good.
It's cold in Mexico. AHH. Let's switch places.
Repeat until.
Yada. Or I teleport thee. There.
I teleport thee.
Please. It's 45:46 here.
Stop. This script. Repeat.
Perfect for ice cream. Yep. I was just gonna eat ice cream. You want some?
Hello?
Yay. Okeen. Nom nom nom.
What the hell happened?
Drapo, did you eat?
Why are you
Nom
not
nom nom.
working? Okay. And yes, I did eat something. I did. So there was something wrong with the apple. That is okay. Repeat.
Coffee again.
Oh my god, a barista, of course. Okay, I can't activate a double jump. Yes. Let's see if that works. No, it doesn't. I'm removing that. I'm having this issue. Good. How do
I drank coffee yesterday with cake.
Nice. I made my awesome
was
black
spiny
coffee
cake.
again. Nice. If
Cake good. But I don't eat it very often.
wait until okay, I should have not added
Antrix,
this
I still
part.
can't text you from Insta.
So.
Oh no. Satch. Yeah.
Yeah, the apple should get faster with every 10. Like, now. See? I'm so glad that I managed to do that. I'm so glad that I managed to put that in. Actually, normally that's the time it needs from going from point A to point B. That's the time it takes. And the longer you
like
play.
The Google dinosaur game.
Yeah, that's why the game is called Catasaur. Catasaur game. I just want to make the Google dinosaur game as my first game, you know? The first game that I tried to figure out on my own. Why am I getting so many messages? I have one idea. I don't know if that makes sense. but I'm going to make an event. I'm gonna make that he broadcasts something. New message. He will broadcast.
Where is the scoreboard?
Wahoo! Wahoo! Oh no. Wahoo! Do I really want to? Let's call you just one. Good. And then I'm gonna
Let's
make
go
this...
Mario Brothers. Good morning, happy Monday.
When receive one. Hello, Exoceratops.
Hello, Extra.
And I have if
Hi and tracks high diamond.
Okay, I have an idea. I want to make a stop this script.
How are you, fellas?
Then I'm sticking with when I receive that one. And I'm adding a forever thing. That so far looks really legit.
Good, and you?
Okay, why is the thing that I want to happen not happening? Ah! I know what my problem is. Okay, that was not my problem. Should I end it here? No. That doesn't change anything either. I just want to add a double jump. Also, I think I have an idea of making the game a little bit more fun. Which means that we're gonna change our... Yeah, we're gonna change that one. Which is not gonna be a lot that we're gonna change here. We're just gonna put this in here. Put here a 2. And then hopefully it registers this as a change the counter with every
Why can't
fifth
a cat
echo.
eat apples?
I don't know, to be fair. And oh no. Okay, that doesn't change anything. Come on, you should change that per. Okay, what I wanted to try, I want to do something that if it contains times. Wait, times 2 would then. Uh?
Lidididididididi.
The
The cat is a doctor, so he dies when he touches an apple. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
It's still 5. Hmm.
It makes sense.
Why are you not changing the things that I want you to change? But if I'm using 10, everything is gonna be fine, or what? Nah. Break. Yeah, if apple counter contains 5. Wait, shouldn't that be a treat? If apple counter contains a 5. Ah? Oh, it would be so sad if that would work. Yep, this is how it works. Why do I come up with that idea now and not when I wanted to, well, know it, you know? So now everything always gets a little bit faster. You have the first 5 to get used to it, then it gets a little bit faster. Still kind of pissed that I didn't manage to get the double jump going, but that's what we're gonna work on soon. I want to see now if it also ends up it on 5. I didn't see a change in... Oh, there was a change.
German.
German, yeah, German. Herman the German. I mean, it works, but not how I want it to. X equals X divided by 5. Oh. No. Just realized again why that is such a dumb idea. Times 5. Oh. No, we already did that. That was the thing that didn't work as good as it should be. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it.
Would you rather speak German for a minute or sing the Wellerman?
I don't know. At the moment, my brain is not working the way I want it to. Which is a little bit problematic. But I can already guess where this is going. So... Wellerman. There once was a ship. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. Kissed by Wire. Okay, you want me to... I was so willing to
let's
sing.
Sing Hello My Baby.
Hello my baby, hello my honey, hello my ragtime gal. Send me a kiss by wire. Baby set my heart on fire. If you refuse me, honey, you'll lose me and you'll be left alone. Oh baby, telephone and tell me I'm your own. Hello my baby, hello my honey, hello my ragtime gal. Please spend your night with me. I fucked it up. Please spend your night with me and enjoy a cup of tea. Forget your sorrow, right by tomorrow I'll be your busperon until the sun has shone. I won't let you be alone. Yeah. I am very, very confused.
Dr. Cat, that will be the name of the game.
Dr. Cat. That's actually not dumb. That's actually pretty smart. Smart, smart, smart. Wait. Yes. Good. Just need to survive 5 of you. Oh. Oh. Please. Please. Oh no. Okay, that is a no. That is a no. But that one works, but not the 10. Why? You know what? I'm gonna add another if clause. I'm adding another if clause. Yeah. Doesn't that make sense? No, that doesn't make sense. If I'm using bad if clause, like the control one here, if, then, else.
I don't know.
Oh, that actually makes a lot of sense. Oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Doesn't it? Like here, I'm taking the if else. Good, if else. So here I'm making two instances. One of them is I'm just gonna duplicate that one, put it in here, and make a 10 out of it. Good. I'm gonna put you in here, put you in here, duplicate this part.
My av.
Yes, I think that that is pretty good. 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 I think that works. Like, see, he will always the first thing he will do is he will check if it is a 10 number. The second thing that he will do is he will check if it's a 5 number. Yes. Starting to work. Now we just have to be happy enough. Oh, nice. Yes, it works. It works now in 5 steps. Yeah. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Nice. 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 Ah. Oh. Oh, and are you not going faster? Okay, he didn't react for the third. Are you reacting for the 4? You're not reacting to the 4. Why? Why? Do I need to switch you around? Do I need to switch you around?
Drapo happy world happy.
Let's see what happens if I switch you around. Because now the 5 has priority. Mm-hmm. 5 still works. Okay. 10 worked. Oh, it already stopped working. Did you see that? It didn't change with 20. With a 20, but it changed with a 25. 30. Okay, you're not reacting on that one, but why? Okay. It switched with the number 10. Change with a 20, please. It changed with a 20. Mm-hmm. Change, we put 30, 30, 30, 30. Yes. Nice. Oh, did 5 not react this time? The 40 reacted. Oh, this time the 5 doesn't react. Okay. Let's see if that changes something.
Yeah.
Yep, yep. Yeah. Yeah, with 50 it starts getting a little bit problematic, you know? But that's what I have my break here. Soon may Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done too, we take our leave and gold. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we take our leave and go. Okay, you don't do the thing that I want you to do either, which is a little bit problematic. Create clone, repeat until. No. This is. Repeat until. Oh, nice. You have an idea here? I'm not sure how good it is. So I'm gonna here make a repeat until.
Coffee.
Coffee, yeah, coffee. Coffee, 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 coffee. Come on. Where's we have a thing? Come on, man. Can't do this to me the entire time.
Coffee.
Coffee. Okay, but if I'm using a forever thing here, that would bring me nothing, right? I already tried that for all I know. Means when I'm doing this, he technically should. Well, he didn't, so nothing changes here. Make a block. Double jump. Making this block when I receive double jump. And then I'm making this. Just make a regular when key thing is pressed thing. You know? Of course it didn't work.
Why?
What do you mean? Oh, yeah, he's repeating immediately. Okay. So then also just if that one is pressed again.
WHYY.
Why? What do you mean why? I'm just trying to make a functional double jump. You can give me pointers if you want, but I don't. But I'm trying to understand how that's supposed to work. You know. That'd work. No, it wouldn't. They're not doing what I want.
Why I need jump times too?
Why not? Like, that's my only answer to that one. Like, why not? I want to add some more collision things for the apple. Like that there is a chance that he clones another apple like right above him. And before I program that, I want a double jump ready on. You get my drift? Do you get the drifting of mine? Please. How does that work again? Mhm. Hmm.
Unless there are two blocks together, I don't see why it is necessary.
I just told you. I just want to make the game a little bit more complex. And for that, I want to add a double jump. And once I added a double jump, I wanted to make something, program something here that makes that the apple has a chance, a slim but a chance to spawn with two of him, you know? Ow. So then I have a reason, like I want to implement the double jump, but I also want to implement the reason for the double jump. Hmm.
Probably.
Yeah, that's but that's my point. I want to experiment with the game a little bit and want to see what I can put into it, what kind of my own ideas that I can put into it. Okay. Und was essen wir heute?
Nudeln, mehr Brot.
Wir haben auch noch die Dosensuppe. Wir haben auch die Dosensuppe.
Ja. Ich hätte schon für die Zucchini für irgendeine Nudelsoße geil.
Ja, da muss ich mir noch was überlegen, weil ich glaube, da kann ich was Kaltes
Knock
mitmachen.
knock.
Knock knock. Yeah, anyways, yeah, let's see if we can find something. Again, my roommate says that programming is 90% stealing code. So I'm looking for something that has already a double jump. Double jump mechanic. Scratch. Let's code a double jump. Woo.
Hello, fellow Scratchers! I'm GERVpatch, and today I'm going to show you how to add double jumping to your Scratch games, and specifically to our classic Scratch platformers, of course. But hold on, there's actually a bit more to this than first meets the eye. So let's take a detailed look at the rules that govern double jumping. Firstly, the player must have already jumped into the air. That is, they can't just run off a platform and jump as they fall. That would be a fall jump, and we are coding double jumps.
Yeah,
Next,
that's my point.
The player has to release the jump key and press it a second time. This is what triggers our beautiful double jump. But can the player just keep on jumping? No, no. We must keep a count of how many jumps the player has made and limit jumps to only 2, until that is, they touch the ground once more. Finally, what if they wall jump? Well, in that case, perhaps we might allow them another double jump, but the choice is up to us. Well, I think that pretty much sums it all up, so open up your projects from where we left off and save them as a fresh new copy. Guys, let's get scratching. Now, a few people have pointed out that
Oh, you have
perhaps we don't have
gravity
so much room
things.
on our screens to allow for a lot of jumping around, let alone double jumping. Well,
Mhm.
guys, that really depends on the size of your player character, doesn't it? We can easily shrink them down a little smaller, for example, to 30%. Ah, aren't they cute? And then if we want, we can compress our levels to fit more platforms on one screen. At this size, though, we would benefit to play around with gravity and the jump force to make our new player size
Gravity.
feel right. I'm actually going to increase gravity, though, to -2.
So, here comes the intelligent part.
Skills.
Skip everything you
See how
don't
I
need.
can no longer jump high enough to reach the jump through platform either? Now, my screen recording is lagging. Make things a little smoother while looking inside
Hawaii.
the project. You can create a blank sprite and drop it in as the first sprite in your game. You might have seen that on some Scratch projects. With this sprite selected, things tend to run just a little smoother. Code icons, second type everything under the key press. And we'll make a new block, naming it Start a New Jump, ? Just pop those scripts under that define block and make use of the new block right away from where the scripts were pulled. Except now, look at this. Both the if conditions that can start a new jump are checking whether jump is 0. This value tells us how long we've been holding down the jump key. It's only 0 when the jump is first pressed. But since they're both using this check, we'll take it out of here and using a new if block surrounding the start new jump, pop the jump equals 0 condition in there. That makes sense. We can't start a new jump of any kind unless this is the initial press of the jump key. Now, hold on. What about this last if down here? This isn't checking for a jump of 0, and with good reason. This is not to handle the start of a jump, but the continuation of a jump. So move that off the end of the script and put it back under the if jumping.
Okay, I think I get it. I think I got it. I think I have a rough understanding of how that works. So, this case, we're just gonna put that somewhere else. We're gonna put that away for a second. And what did you do? If jumping equals 0, else.
Me leave by drapo.
Leave? No. No.
If there's a stream tomorrow, I'll stop by here.
Oh, nice. I'm happy already. Have a nice day, by the way. And if Variables. Counter make variable. Until jump equals 0. Come on. You have to figure it out somehow. Repeat until that one is 0. Now it should work. Hmm. Okay, let's set you up. I think I'm overlooking something. Hmm. Funny idea, but I don't know if it works. Oh, it already sounds like chaos. I love it. Mm-hmm. I knew it. It was worth a try, okay? It was worth a try. Hmm. 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 Apparently I need that one. Hmm. Data view. Hmm. Okay. Sensing. Hmm. Weißt, ich habe jetzt die ganze Zeit rumgeguckt, von wegen so, wie mache ich jetzt einen scheiß Double Jump? Habe ihn endlich hingekriegt und weißt wie? Indem ich was entfernt habe. Äh. Ooh, nice. Good, now that I have my double jump, my janky but working double jump. Let's add some fucking clones. Good. Mm-hmm. Make this 0. One 30th. 1/30th.
Hi.
Hello, Charles Dune. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I just realized that this is a little bit
I'm
harder
the only
than
one
I
watching.
thought.
This is a cool game.
Oh, thank you. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best in order to make this or to get some understanding of that thing. Okay, I switched these two.
I will follow you on Scratch.
No, this is not even remotely finished. I'm only working on it on Mondays. I'm currently trying to get some stuff worked out. Yeah, here it became faster with the that.
Followed.
Can I see stuff like that? Ooh. But also thank you. $125 is what I'm gonna do. $125. Mm-hmm. You didn't become as fast as I hoped you would.
I sub to you.
Oh, on YouTube. Thank you. We should get a notification about that soon. What can that be? Like if I'm tuning you on 20. It's already low on that one. Do I need to go lower? Looks like I need to go lower. 10. 1/10. Oh. Yeah, that would make sense. Let's go with that one.
Face purple wide eyes, face purple wide eyes, face purple wide eyes.
Ooh, nice. Mm-hmm. Okay. So more lower than 1 I can't go. Okay. Couldn't I make it faster somehow? Well, it doesn't matter. I wanna create a clone. Which means that we're gonna write that code completely separate, which means we have an if clause, which means that if clause says these cannot show up until
How
apple
are you?
counter. No, I'm doing fine. That if clause is gonna say they cannot show up if apple counter equals 10. Oh, no. I have a better one. Not that one. Apple count is bigger than 10. Yes. It's a little bit all over the place, I have to admit. Especially because I only have like 2 buttons. One of them is X, which is supposed to stop every script and spawns where shit is supposed to be. And space, which is just for jumping. Yeah. And what else do I need? I need something to control clones. If create clone of myself. Duplicate. But a little bit higher, like not that low. Let's make it let's make it 75. No, wait, I need to go down further down. I need to minus 25. Yes. Myself. Touching mouse pointer. No, 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 no. Would spawn one next to it and go the same route. Like 25 above it. And follow the same route. Let's go and change the operators.
Is this your first time on Scratch?
Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing something on Scratch. Like, this is the third stream we have about this, but this is the first time I'm actually, like, this is generally, like, this project is the first time I'm on Scratch. Minus 0.1 times 10. Duplicate. Weißt du, wie strange das ist, wenn man so neben einem so diese Opfergeräusche hört und dann auch noch nebenbei so ein I bless brains down in Africa und nebenbei so
Hä, ist doch in jedem zweiten Studentenfilm so.
Oh, okay, good. Oh. Let's see if that works, because I want them to go below 1. Mm-hmm. Increasing speed. I have an eye on you. And you decreased again. Good. Nice. You know, I don't want it to be like too unfair. Okay, come on. Okay, we need to get to the 5. We need to get back to 50. Good. Gesundheit. Good. I just want to see if it goes below 1. Because I know it's still doable to play this game like on a below 1 second movement duration. Good. 1.3. Yes, 1.1. Okay. 50. Ooh, good. But also this is gonna be the death of everybody. Hmm. If I need to add a limiter. Make a show variable, change variable. I should have a check for if not.
I am your 280th subscriber.
On YouTube? Oh. Oh. What the hell? You actually have a crown? What the hell? YouTube, can you stop fucking around and just... What do you mean you ended the stream? I didn't end the stream. Back off. Ooh. But yeah, thank you for the sub. Kind of confused that I didn't get a notification for that one, but I am recently used to the game not doing everything that I wanted to. Like the alert box. Or sound alert. Ah. Okay. Try again. Try again. Try again. Ah, okay, yeah, the scratch died. Okay. What the hell? What the fuck? Well, I guess I have to end it here. But yeah, I hope you had fun. Even if we ended a little bit too early. I hope that... Well, I had fun of it, that's for sure. Hope to see you in the next stream. Video. And if you're watching this...
Do you like anime? I like Inuyasha. The show.
Yes, I do like anime, and I do like Inuyasha, and I'm kind of confused why my project is suddenly gone. So well, yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye for now. See you next time. Bye bye.